Greetings RC friends, welcome to Props and Wheels and to another Wheels video. When I'm shopping sometimes I see so intriguing that without thinking much I buy it. And that happened recently at a Costco store. So I was there for buying something else. And interestingly, holiday shopping starts so early in September in Costco. So there were a lot of toys and one of them was this one. It is called Power Craze Safari Racer. It is a fully proportional, they say fully proportional RC truck. The intriguing part is it was only $20. More accurately, it was $19.99 plus tax. And they had two colors, one metallic blue and the other one this metallic red, which is one of my favorite colors. So I had to buy it and I was questioning, do $20 fully proportional RC trucks exist? Is this too good to be true? There must be a catch. What is the catch? Because they are claiming a lot of things, both speed and steering. And by the way, steering wheels, you can reach it through the box. They are both proportional. Okay, this is not all-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, it is rear-wheel drive, but they are also claiming 20 miles per hour. And on the bottom of the box, they are saying they clocked it using a radar gun. So it is very intriguing. It has real shocks, it has cushy, soft tires. I mean, come on, $20, cannot go wrong with it. There must be something wrong with it. I don't know. Let's open it up and see. So here it is, folks, the whole package. It feels really nice in my hands. It looks a little smaller in the in the box when it came out. I mean, I believe this is between, I don't know, 1/24th scale, 120th, 1/24th scale. Doesn't say anything about the scale of this one. And it has a nicely illustrated manual. And yes, this feels like proportional control, like a spring load. It doesn't click on one extreme and then the other extreme. There's the on-off button. This is a shift speed, and on the box it says it has 3 speed modes. Here's the throttle control and forward, backward. They even included 3 AA batteries for the transmitter. And here is the charging cable, and it looks like the charger directly connects to this little port on the bottom of the car. Let's see if there's any battery. I mean, look, it has lights. Not only like headlights, it has these big lights on top, the light strip, and somewhere I read also it has the functional stop lights on the back, brake lights. This is awesome. Okay, I'm going to charge it up, put the battery inside the transmitter, and do the indoor testing first. The red light on the charger is on. I'm going to connect it. And when it's charging, it turns off. I'm assuming that the red light is going to come back on when it's fully charged. The red LED light on the charger turned back on, so the battery must be fully charged. So I'm going to disconnect. And now it's time to bind it to the transmitter. To bind it to the transmitter, we turn on the power switch at the bottom of the truck first, so the lights are blinking, and then turn on the transmitter. Now this stopped blinking, so it should be all good to go. As you can see, nice proportional control. There is also a trim wheel, just in case it's not going forward straight, you can just trim that. And there is also a shift speed So this is the 1 beep, 2 beeps, and also the lights are increasing as so it's the high intensity is on speed 3. It's 1, 2, 3. Let's put it to 1. I don't want it to fly off the table. Oh no, it's nice and easy to control. It can go really slowly. Speed 2, yeah, it reacts a little faster. Speed 3, reacts even faster. And I read the manual, it is immaculate English, it's very well written, very descriptive. One thing that I would like to point out is that if you have multiple of these, you can run them separately, but you have to turn everything off, and one by one, you first turn on the first truck, then the first transmitter, second truck, second transmitter. So with that sequence, everything will bind correctly. And as I mentioned, this is feels really high quality and very nice so far. And the packaging was great. I mean, I had difficulty actually taking it out of the packaging because it was so well packaged. So let's give it a spin indoors. All right, here we go. We are in speed 1, the lowest speed. And do you see if you push forward, the brake lights come on. So let's start driving this thing. Oh, when you're turning, it's also giving signals. That's cute. Wow, the turn radius is great. So this is top speed on this mode. Pretty nice. Oh. So for coming back, so this is the top speed coming back. Okay, let's switch to speed 2. Oh, you can actually flip it, okay. Oh, you can actually flip it if you are turning too quickly, like in real life. And this is now on carpet. And let's try the fastest mode. Doesn't feel like it. Oh. This is full speed. I think I may have gotten some threads. I don't know why it's not. Yeah, I got some threads. Do you see? That's sticking and keeping it from going. I have to clean it up. Anyway, I think we had enough indoors. It's great, but I don't think it will go 20 miles per hour, at least not on carpet. So I'm assuming that they did it on a very smooth surface. Maybe this has been slowing it down. I think I have to take care of this and then I'll be outside. I may even attempt to putting my phone with the GPS app on it to see how fast it really goes. It is a little bit windy, but I don't care. I'll be riding my truck, right? Grass has been mowed, the lawn has been mowed, but it has been growing the last week or so. So it's not that short. It's kind of like a mid-length. Let me put it the second speed and see if it's going to be able to go. It's trying, but okay, third speed. Oh, okay, all right. That was short. When I turned it, it couldn't go anymore. Yeah, I mean, you need really short grass for this to go. It is going straight, but any time I'm trying to turn, it stops. So what I'm going to do now is switch over to the basketball court on the back and then just drive it on concrete instead. Okay, I think this is a much better surface for it, so I'm going to go ahead. Whoa, This thing is really fast, and it flips. You have to be careful to slow down the turn. So I'm going to switch to the first speed mode. So this is still quite fast when the surface is like this. Wow, for its size, it's going pretty good. Look at that. And every time I'm turning, it's signaling, giving signals on the back. Okay, second. This is really nice and proportional. I mean, look at that. Just wow. It goes. Oh, it goes out of sight very quickly. It's amazing. So this is full speed on the second mode. So let's try the insanity mode. Whoa! Wow, that was a tumble, but it fell on four wheels, not four legs. But so I have to make sure to slow down when I'm doing the turns, and with those joints are a little rough on it, but and then this is the it actually goes fast backwards as well. Should we test the speed? Maybe do a speed test. So far it's great fun. I mean, I like it. For $20 you cannot go wrong, and considering this is a toy grade, I mean, for $20 you should not be able to get even a transition grade car, and you are getting close to transition grades. Now this is not hobby grade, definitely not, but the quality of it is great for $20. I wasn't expecting this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to test the claim that it can do 20 miles per hour. Even if it gets close to 50 miles per hour, I'll be impressed. Let's put my phone on it. It's going to be additional weight, and test it out. Okay, here is how I'm going to try to test it. I have a heavy Android phone, and it's really heavy. It already compressed the rear suspension, and I don't know how well it's going to go, but this gives me the maximum speed. So let me reset that. It already is connected to some satellites. Okay, I'm not sure where I should do this. So this is the third speed. I just don't want to break my phone. Maybe, yeah, there are so many joints and it will jump over the joints. If I can keep it straight, maybe this straightaway will be better for it. And maybe I can just see how fast it really goes. Okay, it's kind of measuring my speed right now. I'm walking 3.4 miles per hour. All right. Okay, let's do this. Oh. No, no. I think it compressed the back so much that it's not even moving. It's just, I have to push it forward maybe. Okay, let's see if this is going to do anything. All right. It's gaining speed, but I mean it's nowhere near. Oh, now my my cell phone is rubbing on the ground, so this is not going to work this way. Unfortunately, I cannot verify it's 20 miles per hour with my phone. I need to maybe figure out something else later, but it's not going to happen. So it got to 6 miles per hour. But that's it. Okay, let me turn this off and continue enjoying this because it's a ball. Ooh! Yep. Do you want to race?
Yeah, I do.
Oh no, I don't. You'll probably go over it. Yeah, I got this from Costco for $20.
Can I try it?
Huh?
Can I try it out?
Yeah, sure, why not?
So first, how do you watch it?
Okay, so folks, do you want to be in my video though, or do you have to ask your parents? I'm making a video for the. I'm making a video for YouTube right now, so he wants to just try it out. Can he be in the video? I'm not going to. Huh?
My
Yeah? Do you want to try?
Yeah.
So you pull this, let me put first. You pull this, it goes forward, you push it, it will come backwards, and then right and left turn.
Okay.
And where you buy this from?
Yeah, good. Yep, you're doing it. Yeah, just rotate it around and do it again. It's definitely a favorite with the kids. Definitely a favorite. So, I'm going to give my final verdict on this. Yes, this is A+. For $20, it's an A+. It's an A+. And it just got tested for durability.
That probably messed it up.
As I checked 2 days ago, there is a big stock in Costco of these as well, blue and red. Buy some stocking stuffers. Seriously, buy 10 of them. They will just sit in your basement, and whenever you need to give a present or you have kids who are going to birthday parties, here you go. And it's rechargeable, and I didn't check the battery inside. The box says it's a LiPo battery. And it jumps over that crevice pretty good. Yes, definitely a plus, A+ for this one. I really like it. I'm glad I bought it. It's a steal. Go buy it from Costco. I'm not making Costco advertisement. I purchased with my own money. I just give you my honest opinion. Whenever I find gems like this one, I just jump on it. What I'm going to do next time I go to Costco is buy another one, which is going to be probably blue, so I have both. And I can just ride with my sons. Alright folks, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Although our channel concentrates mainly on RC aircraft, from time to time we'll bring you RC cars, trucks, maybe even boats in the future. We'll see. Please stay tuned for the next videos. Stay safe and healthy. Take care. Bye bye.